Shape. I am Mr. Shape. Look at me. I have circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. As many as there could be. My eyes are round. Up to aste. And so is my face. My body is square. If you haven't noticed, in case, my arms are rectangles, and so are my legs. My hands are circles, and my feet are triangles. You see.